Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jaisha, and in this video I'm finally going to be showing you how I make my flaxseed gel for my hair. So I have talked about this gel a few times on my channel, but I have finally got around to making a video showing how I actually make it. I've been making and using this gel in my hair for quite some time, but I have finally perfected the recipe to where I can get the same consistency and the exact results that I want every time that I use it. So it did take some trial and error in the beginning because there is a balance that you want to achieve when it comes to your flaxseed to water ratio. Too many flax seeds and it will be too jelly-like, and then you're gonna have crunchy hair that flakes. And if it's too watery, then you're just gonna have really fluffy hair that has no definition at all. So you want to strike a balance in the middle where you have the best of both worlds. So this gel can be used for any style pretty much. I mostly use it for wash and goes and to slick my hair down, but it can also be used for twist outs, braid outs. You can use it to shape your edges. If you are looking for something that is super natural, you're making it yourself, so there's no preservative or chemicals in it or anything that you don't know about, super easy to make, super affordable, and good for your hair, you should give this gel a try. And let's get into the video. I'm going to show you exactly how I make mine. I start by adding 2 cups of water to my pot. Then I'm going to add 1/4 of a cup of flax seeds to the water. And then I just give it a little mix so that all the flax seeds get wet. Then you could put your fire on medium heat, but just be mindful to keep your eye on the mixture as it starts to boil. This is what it looks like after about 2 minutes or so. Once it starts to boil, it doesn't exactly have the gel texture that we want just yet, but it's getting there. After a few more minutes, you can see the difference in the texture of the gel. The water has become more of a gel-like texture. When you mix it around and you see that white stuff, you'll feel the difference on your spoon and you can see the thickness of the gel forming. At this point, I let the gel cool for about 45 minutes or so, and this step is important because you do not want to squeeze it while it is still hot. Trust me. I usually go wash my hair and apply my conditioner while I wait for it to cool down. So now I have to strain the gel, and I have this cup and my cheesecloth that I'm going to use to strain it, and I'm just going to pour what's in my pot into the cup that has the cheesecloth covering it. And I'm testing it just to make sure that it is cool because I have really burned my hand doing this before when the gel was still hot, and it is not fun, and I definitely did not get as much gel as I wanted to get out because it was too hot. So just definitely make sure that it is cool before you start to squeeze. Then you're just going to squeeze everything out of the cheesecloth, and I recommend using a cheesecloth for this process because I've tried to use a stocking before, and to me the cheesecloth is just sturdier. The stocking did rip in a few places as I was squeezing, and then I ended up with a lot of seeds in my gel and also in my hair. I also probably should have used a bowl for this instead of a cup because this can get a little bit messy once the gel starts squeezing out from everywhere. So after squeezing, I ended up with almost a full cup of gel. So I just have my little applicator bottle and my funnel, and I'm just going to pour that into the bottle so it can make it easier to apply to my hair. And now for the fun part. I am styling my wash and go. I've already sectioned my hair into 4 parts and applied my leave-in conditioner, and here is what the jelly is looking like. I always do the shingling method for my wash and goes, so that's just what I'm doing here, shingling my hair. And after I'm done with this first section, here is what it's looking like. Pretty defined, pretty juicy looking curls, and I'm just going to continue applying the gel to my whole head. So these are my curls with the gel while everything is still wet, and I will come back and show the final results after everything is dried. So that is it. These are the results from my wash and go using the flaxseed gel recipe that I just showed. I get great definition, volume, and the results that I want every time. So I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and please subscribe if you are not already so that you can see all of my videos here on my channel. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.